we will see how you can set up auto payment on your Bell account. It could be for mobility, internet, TV streaming, whatever it is. For that, once you come and log into your Bell account, here you have to come to My Profile and click here, and then Billing and Services. If you have to do an immediate payment, in that case, you can directly come here, My Bills and Payment. Once you click here, Make Payment, and from here, let me click this. Here, if you have anything outstanding, the amount will be shown, and then you can choose the payment method either through directly bank or through credit card. So if you choose credit card, just review and then go ahead and pay. Coming to the My Profile section and Billing and Service, you will come to this page, and here you are on Billing Profile. On right side, let me scroll down. You see here method of payment. Here go and click on Edit. Here choose a payment method either through bank. If you're doing it directly through bank, you can fill in any of the listed bank account details automatically by signing into Interact. Once you click on sign in with Interact, here you choose your financial institution, go through the user agreement, sharing information, and then once it is complete, it will be set up for auto payment, where from your account, the money will directly get deducted on the set date. Or you can enter the detail manually. To enter bank account detail manually, click here and then select the bank from this drop down, account holder name, transit number, account number. Once this is entered, your auto payment will be set up. I prefer credit card. Once you click here, you enter the card detail, card holder name, expiration date, card security code, and once that is done, click next. You will come to this summary page where you will review everything, your card detail, what you have entered. Here you see pre-authorized payment authorization. You authorize Bell to set up pre-authorized payment using the payment information you provided as follows. For monthly payment, we will debit your bank account or charge your credit card to total amount due on the same date or close to the date each month. For example, the date may be different if it falls on a Sunday or holiday. So all you need to ensure is that your account has money or your credit card has the limit for the transaction to go through. Once you have gone through this, confirm and submit. Once the pre-authorization is set up, you will get a confirmation like this, and from the next billing cycle, the pre-authorized payment will get deducted and you will get a confirmation number, and if you have subscribed to the email service, then you will get that notified by email also. So that's it. Your payment is set up and you don't have to worry about skipping the payment, and you will have the Bell service going.